So guys, namaste and hello again. We came today to Irani cafe. I think people cannot recognize I am Iranian because of my
everyone can understand.
mehendi and
Because of mehendi also. Now what is festival? Because in India they wear mehendi for some festival or some marriage. Generally.
maybe it's marriage.
Marriage of whom?
You and me. So guys, today we came to Irani cafe. Actually we wanted to see one Iranian couple. They messaged us, let's meet and this thing. We are just waiting for them. We don't know if they are okay for recording or not, but anyways we just wanted to record by ourselves and we are waiting for them. The thing we ordered just came. Thank you. Iranian kufte. No, not kufte. Sorry, kotlet. Iranian kotlet means veg one. It is actually, show me 1 second. In Iran, kotlet you never ate. Kotlet is non-veg in Iran. You know, it's made with mutton, but here it's like veg one. That's why I thought to order, because in Iran I cannot try at all because of non-veg. This one also is samosa. This one is Iranian or Indian? I think samosa is for India.
No, samosa is for Iran only.
See guys, how many things you want to copy? Let's see how it tastes also.
You taste and tell me.
Without anything we have to eat.
What we saw.
Without
With sauce, I think. What we saw, that was say cockroaches roaming here and there.
Oh my god.
We came and we sit there, that table. So one cockroach was there, he was moving here and there. I said that waiter, see cockroach is there. He's like,
Don't even care.
he went there. I said, what is this?
Like,
Then we changed our seat.
but in Iran we eat with bread. Here nothing they give.
I also don't know. They should take bread also. Taste is good.
Only thing is doctor told me,
Spicy also.
doctor told me avoid spicy
Oily also.
and oily. It's both.
Now today it will eat, but I will eat so much at night.
क्या बात है?
So tasty.
Why you put here? I said, क्या बात है? Guys, it's so spicy. In Iran, we don't have this much spicy.
Really so spicy.
You tried? So much. And doctor told me, till you get treated, you should not eat at all. Spicy,
Tell him.
masala,
Tell him
and
we went to Ayurvedic doctor.
we went to Ayurvedic doctor. After like trying so many doctors, finally I was seeing result. Now I don't know what will happen to me today.
Actually only because doctor said don't eat sour things, spicy, oily. Yesterday bit I ate lavashai. Lavashai is like Iranian sour fruit, na? Not fruit.
It's like they
it's
make.
made from fruit.
Oh, it's fruits only. Actually, what they do is they boil some fruits, they put in sun, and once it become dry, they eat. I love so much.
Which I ate
But
yesterday.
Yesterday I ate, it was
much
so
itching.
bad, so much itching. I hope today same thing
Actually,
doesn't happen.
doctor said, Ayurvedic doctor said, you don't eat the foods which have gurmi and sour things
And
because
oily.
acidity also is responsible for itching.
Huh?
That one also say he checked something here and he was asking about your dream.
Once I went to that doctor, that Ayurvedic doctor, he was asking me, are you seeing snake or water or fire in your dreams? I don't know why he was
No,
asking.
you are checking something in your hand. Like
No, he was checking my pulse.
Pulse. And
He was checking my pulse. He said, you have stress? I said, in past little bit I had, now no. Then he was saying, you are seeing dreams of fire or water or snake. I said sometimes. Then it's like he understood something. So if you guys know why he asked me, please let me know. My mind got busy with this.
First time we went to Ayurvedic doctor, and all medicines are like natural.
Yes, and I feel it's like working for me.
Ah.
Only thing is I have to avoid
Once you go
nonsense.
home, or I'll put picture here. Tell me how is the taste of medicine. You tell me.
He said to me, that doctor, for better result, smash it and then eat.
They are so hard.
No, not only that. If you smash, it's like you feel like you are eating soil. So bad. So I thought I will not smash. Like that only I will eat. How is it?
So good. Everything is spicy and oily. Taste is good.
But they are so smart. Because in Iran they serve this food with... In Iran they serve this food with bread. But here they are giving without bread. So that you will not feel so much food. And again you will buy.
So guys, this is Takht-e Jamshid, oldest Persian city. We already put video on this on YouTube. These places I don't know. They are so old. Some design also they put Persian flags. Persian girl also is here. Let me see what things they have first. A lot of things they have, cake and other things. I don't know. I never ate. But Iranian sweets are so good. Here I don't know. I think everything is Indian nowadays here. Irani baklava. Ah, this one I know. This one I know. Baklava.